Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing the exciting field of tissue engineering and the role of biomaterials in improving healthcare in the future. What is tissue engineering? Tissue engineering is a multidisciplinary field that combines the principles of engineering, biology, and material science to develop functional replacement tissues and organs for patients. What are biomaterials? Biomaterials are materials that are designed and developed for use in medical devices and procedures. These materials are chosen for their biocompatibility, biodegradability, and mechanical properties, making them ideal for use in tissue engineering applications. How do biomaterials improve tissue engineering? Biomaterials play a crucial role in the field of tissue engineering. They provide the necessary structure and support for the growth of new tissue while also providing a suitable environment for cells to grow and differentiate. The use of biomaterials allows for the creation of functional tissues that can replace damaged or diseased tissues in patients. Examples of biomaterials used in tissue engineering. Some examples of biomaterials used in tissue engineering include natural polymers such as collagen and gelatin, synthetic polymers like polylactic acid, and ceramics like hydroxyapatite. Future of tissue engineering and biomaterials. The future of tissue engineering and biomaterials is extremely promising. With advancements in materials science and biotechnology, researchers are developing new and innovative biomaterials that will enable the creation of functional tissues and organs with improved properties. This will lead to improved patient outcomes and a reduction in the need for transplantation and other invasive procedures. In conclusion, the use of biomaterials in the field of tissue engineering has the potential to revolutionize healthcare. By providing a supportive environment for the growth of new tissue, biomaterials will play a critical role in improving patient outcomes and advancing the field of tissue engineering. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new about the exciting future of tissue engineering and biomaterials.